Please wait for an important message from Aaron Drury.
Hello, I am local resident Aaron Drury. 2 days ago, I predicted, along with meteorologists here at ABC, that a supernatural event would happen at the El Paso nuclear facility in Fort Bliss, Texas. Now, the reason why there is clipping in the background is because people are working on things. They're just finishing up the bunker that I'm currently in. I am currently in a bunker on an undisclosed location in Kansas. All I have to tell you about this situation is very limited. Here's some things you should know. The entire nuclear cloud facility, along with Fort Bliss, were completely destroyed as the explosion completely wrecked the entire place, even taking out the security camera. Second, people didn't believe me. People said, "Oh yeah, it's probably just in fantasy, it's probably a psycho." And those people are now dead. They didn't know. They should have listened. If you are still inside your house, get underground immediately. Gather all your supplies and get underground immediately, as no shelter above ground will protect you from this event. Your roof will collapse, and electricity, gas, and heating will be destroyed. Turn off all air conditioning units. Turn off all of your air conditioning units, as poisonous gases are also in the air. And if you inhale these gases, you will die. And if you open your eyes and if you go outside with your eyes open, you will go blind, as these gases can blind someone. Wear glasses if you have to go out. Wear goggles, safety glasses, or any other form of protection against gas. And bring in a plastic umbrella if you have one, or anything plastic that will not melt, that will fit above your head. Do not use metal for any reason, as the metal will instantly melt and you will be killed. Do not go outside for any reason, unless you must, or else you will die, as the ensuing acid will burn you alive. This acid is the equivalent of a car battery. And in fact, a car battery was in fact dropped from a plane into the nuclear cloud facility, causing extensive damage. That's all I have to say for now.